Good morning, class family. It's a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look at the message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. June 2nd, 2023. Dear class family, today is Friday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will review letter sounds and fast words. Next, we will ask and answer questions about a story. Then, we will notice different techniques authors and illustrators use. Last, we will do literacy centers. It is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. It's fantastic. Let's give another fantastic. Fantastic. All right, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's start with the date. And I notice this month it has a capital letter June. What does that say? You're right. It does say May. Or May, my goodness, I just said May. It does say June. If you remember that, great job. Let's go ahead and reread the whole date at this time. But before we do that, notice how there's a capital letter J to start this month. Good writers and mathematicians always capitalize the first letter in each month of the year because it's special and important. All right, use your finger to point. Say it with me. June 2nd, 2023. Within the date, I see a punctuation mark. Do you know what it's called? It starts on the line and does a little curve. Well, what's the name of it? You're right, it is a comma. Let's go ahead and review the punctuation marks you're going to see within the message and question for today. Comma, period. Say it with me. Exclamation mark, also called an exclamation point. Question mark. All right, let's go ahead and notice these punctuation marks as we are rereading. Dear class family, after our greeting, look at the first telling sentence that starts with a capital letter T. Let's reread it. Today is Friday. It is Friday, and it's a fantastic Friday. Let's reread the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that each day to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. And we do this so many ways by listening, writing, and drawing, asking and answering questions, making connections, and sharing our thinking. Remember, good communicators speak loudly and clearly for all to hear. They use their mouth to speak and their ears to listen. All right, let's go ahead and continue to read, and we're going to see some transitional words first, next, then last. Good writers can sequence their writing and put the events of the story in order. Good readers do that as well when they order the events of the story from what happens at the beginning to the middle and end. All right, let's read the sentence that starts with this transitional word. First. First, we review letter sounds and fast words. Okay, we'll use our word wall as a resource, just like we do every day. Review the ABCs, letters, sounds, pictures to match that word, and American Sign Language. We're going to be using Jack Hartman's YouTube channel, Mr. B's YouTube channel, and the Singing Walrus to pump our brains with knowledge. We'll also be reviewing kindergarten sight words on the word wall and first grade sight words as well. We're going to be doing sight word dance, first grade words today to get ready as the countdown continues. We only have 11 more days learning together in kindergarten. All right, let's see this transitional word. It starts with N, not N. Next. Next, we'll ask and answer questions about a story. Oh, we will. Remember, good readers can ask questions about a story before they read it, or when they're reading it or after reading it. We're going to answer questions and pump our brains with knowledge and find text evidence to share how we know that's the answer to our question. All right, let's go ahead and read this transitional word, then. Then we will notice different techniques authors and illustrators use. We'll be checking out some more Mo Willems books. We'll see how different authors can use things like speech bubbles. They can use thought bubbles. They can also use bold print and different ways to draw things to show emotions and present the information. And we're going to see later today, we'll continue reading The World According to Humphrey. But we'll see how different authors use many techniques, authors and illustrators, when they're writing and drawing. Okay, here's this transitional word, last. Last we'll do literacy centers. It is a great day. Love Miss Jordan. It is a great day. And today for literacy centers, it's our last time on our iPads for Lexi Core 5 reading program. We got to clean our iPads and turn them in. So let's pump our brains with knowledge today and pass as many units as we can on Lexia. It's a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question for today is a do you prefer question. Do you prefer Jell-O or snails? Why? That's an interesting question. Do you prefer Jell-O or snails? Why? We're going to be doing a T-chart. We'll put Jell-O on one side, the top left, snails on the top right. Each kid's going to share their thinking with a partner before we share out loud with the class. Do a tally mark and share your reason. Do you prefer Jell-O or snails? Why?